Blue Margin works with organizations to increase productivity and profitability by bringing into focus what is most important, using Microsoft's cloud-based business intelligence tools. Initech is a software development company with several offices throughout the United States. The team had a difficult time keeping up with the status of their many projects in the areas of business development, hardware, software, and support. If a senior executive asked if a project was on track, project managers would have to rely on several sets of information to come up with a somewhat speculative answer. Initech's executive team needed a definitive management dashboard to give them a single source truth as it relates to financial and performance levels. Project managers needed to be able to update the status of a contract to indicate whether a project was performing on task and if the proper number of staff was allocated to each project. Each user had a unique set of data needs, but all were interested in getting a better performance picture. To resolve these issues, Blue Margin worked with Initech to provide a multi-level view based on user needs of their operations to track activities and performance. Each user was set up with unique login credentials to access reports based on their specific needs. The executive team is now able to see a high-level financial and performance detail with the ability to drill down to the project level. And the project managers see only the projects that apply to them, making the management process more efficient. On the General Summary tab, we see that this provides insights into overall work-in-progress contract amounts and work-in-progress number of jobs. We also see a geographical map that indicates current contract amount by area. And we have a glimpse into current and prospective contract amounts, along with various details surrounding the job counts. On the management dashboard, we see an overview for the company's financials, including 90-day overview of a line of credit, billing as a percent of cost, AR, weekly man-hours, cash receipts as a cost, and AP over 45 days. On the job payroll status, we notice the total number of jobs and the work-in-progress contract total. We can also see these broken down by the size of the job and the payroll status. We can see the total number of jobs by division VP and further drill down to see the PMs underneath them. And then we also can see a job breakdown by payroll status, type, and the working contract amount by job type as well. On the contract update status, we needed a way to track whether projects were updated as they should be online every day. If they're not, the status report brings attention to the executive team to ensure that the project is performing on track and on schedule. In this dashboard, you can see the status of each project and drill down to the level of detail necessary. On the Profitability tab, we have a bit more of a detailed slide. It includes the status of each project according to the percentage of completion. It estimates the current labor and non-labor costs and provides a job count by divisional manager update status so that you can know who's overdue on a status update and how many total projects are in fact overdue. The profitability status gives a high-level overview of the profitability depending on the marginal percentage of profitability. You can also see the job count by division VP and further break down into the divisional manager. The table below just provides a detailed listing of various jobs and where they're currently standing. Using Power BI, Blue Margin took data from several sources and transformed it into dynamic visualizations that allow both the executive team and project management team to discover new insights. Using Power BI, Blue Margin was able to help Initech gain control over the project management status. This is just one way that Blue Margin uses Power BI to solve project managers' most common problems. As with Initech, we can tailor our solution to your specific company need. Give Blue Margin a call today at 800-865-6350 to see what we can do for you.